To access the line spacing features in PowerPoint, select the text that requires adjustment. Navigate to the Home tab. Click the line spacing command within the paragraph group. It will reveal a drop-down menu offering a selection of commonly used line spacing presets for your convenience. You can also access the line spacing options through the paragraph settings. Here you can fine-tune settings like the exact spacing measurements, expressed in points, and even set specific spacing before and after paragraphs. Increasing the font size is also a crucial part of customizing your text. This can be easily done by selecting your text box, clicking on the Home tab, then adjusting the font size to ensure optimum visibility. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.